Welcome to Super Top. Today we're putting two popular Shark vacuum models head-to-head, the Shark UV725 and the Shark NV360. In this video, we're going to dive into their features, point out their similarities and differences, and help you decide which one best suits your cleaning needs. And remember, the links to access the best prices for both products are in the video description. Similarities: lift-away functionality. Both vacuums boast a detachable pod that makes cleaning above-floor areas like stairs and furniture a breeze. This innovative lift-away technology provides you with extra versatility for tackling hard-to-reach spots. Swivel steering. Maneuverability is a strong point for both models. With their swivel steering capabilities, you can easily navigate around furniture and tight corners, ensuring a thorough clean every time. HEPA filtration. Each vacuum is equipped with a HEPA filter designed to capture dust and allergens, making them excellent choices for a healthier home environment. Bagless design. Enjoy the convenience of a bagless system that simplifies debris disposal and keeps maintenance hassle-free. Complete Seal anti-allergen technology. Both products feature advanced seal technologies that help contain dust and allergens within the vacuum, contributing to improved indoor air quality. Remember, the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Differences: self-cleaning brush roll versus accessories. The Shark UV725 comes with a self-cleaning brush roll engineered for powerful pet hair pickup with no hair wrap, a great feature for pet owners. In contrast, the Shark NV360 includes a set of versatile accessories such as a crevice tool and upholstery tool, expanding its functionality across various surfaces. Power and performance. The UV725 is a corded vacuum with an 890-watt motor running at 120 volts, ensuring robust performance, especially on carpets. The NV360, while also powered by corded electric, despite some notes indicating cordless functionality, is marketed as a deluxe model with impressive suction for both hardwood floors and carpets. Dust cup capacity. One noticeable difference is in dust capacity. The UV725 features a large capacity dust cup designed for efficient cleaning sessions. However, the NV360 steps it up with an ample 12 dry quart dust cup capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying during extended cleaning sessions. Lighting feature. The UV725 is equipped with powerful LED headlights on its nozzle, designed to reveal hidden debris and ensure no spot is left untouched. This feature is not highlighted on the NV360, which focuses more on overall cleaning versatility and accessory support. Again, don't forget that the links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. So, which vacuum comes out on top? If you're after a robust, carpet-friendly cleaner with a self-cleaning brush roll and the added bonus of LED headlights to spot hidden debris, the Shark UV725 is a fantastic choice. On the other hand, if you prefer a model with a larger dust cup capacity and a range of versatile accessories to customize your cleaning experience across different surfaces, the Shark NV360 might be the better option for you. The links to purchase both products at the best price are in the video description. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next Super Top.